Welcome back to exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination and substitution method. One method I have done for you, second one you have to try and you will get the same answer. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 5. ध्यान देना. Number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Elimination method में either you have to eliminate x, y or constant. So we have to make them equal. Now for example, first equation को मैंने multiply किया है 2 से. So it becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Second equation as it is रखना है. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. अब हम माइनस करेंगे. साइन विल चेंज. माइनस माइनस प्लस और ये माइनस हो जाएगा. 2y प्लस 3y इज 5y इज इक्वल टू 6. तो y विल बी 6/5. टू फाइंड x, LCM is 5. 5x plus 5 into 6/5 is equal to 5 into 5. 5x plus 6 equal to 25. 5x equal to 25 minus 6. 5x equal to 19. X equal to 19/5 and you get the answer. Second one. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now I have multiplied first equation by 1, second by 2. So we get 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 as it is. 4x minus 4y is equal to 4 and you get x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. ठीक है. Now we are going to question number 3. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Now we have to rearrange and you get 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation 1 multiplied by 9. Equation 2 by 1 and we get the following answer. You can check. Question number 4, I have given you homework. Okay. Now I am going to question number 2. Very, very important. First I will read the question for you. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. I hope you know what is numerator, what is denominator. So let the numerator be x. Let the denominator be y. Add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. इसका मतलब है x plus 1 y minus 1. So the fraction becomes x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1. Cross multiply and you get x minus y is equal to minus 2. ये हो गया तुम्हारा equation 1. Now we are going to the second condition. It becomes half if we add only 1 to the denominator. Numerator में add नहीं करना है, only to the denominator. So what is the fraction? मतलब we have to find out x and y. चलो. As per the second condition, x upon y plus 1 is equal to half. And we solve. We get x equal to 3, y is equal to 5. So the fraction is x 3/5. आगे समझ में सारे स्टेप्स देख लो. चलो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Noori, Sonu. इसकी प्रेजेंट एज कितनी है? x. इसकी प्रेजेंट एज y. 5 years ago उसकी एज कितनी थी? x minus 5 और इसकी थी y minus 5. As per the first condition, नूरी की एज 3 times है. तो x minus 5 is equal to 3 into y minus 5. Open the bracket. You get x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. देख लिया. 10 साल के बाद उनकी एज कितनी रहेगी? x plus 10, y plus 10. And the condition is twice. So you get, after solving, we get नूरी की एज 50 और सोनू की एज 20. समझ पड़ी बताना है. ओके. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. 2-digit number. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. चलो 2-digit का मतलब है 10x, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let tens place be x और unit place पे y. Original number is 10x plus y. First statement clear है सबको? As per the first condition, the total sum is 9. इसका मतलब है x plus y is equal to 9. Digits are reversed or interchange. We get a new number 10y plus x. As per the second condition, 9 into the original number is twice of the digits reversed. 9 into 10x plus y, 2 into 10y plus x. Open the bracket and you get y. What is the value of y? 9x equal to 9, तो x will be 1. 1 plus y is equal to 9. तो original number is 10x plus y. 10 ones are 10 plus 8 gives you 18. Any doubt? You can see the sum. Now I am going to the next one. चलो. Let the 50 rupees note be x or 100 rupees note be y. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. कितने? 2000. Now her condition was that to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 और how many of 100 she received. Very easy. Total amount कितना है? 2000. 50x उसको 50 की नोट चाहिए थी और 100 की चाहिए थी. Total 2000. Now divide by 50. X plus 2y is equal to 40. As per the second condition, x plus y is equal to 25. While solving, we get x equal to 10, y is equal to 15. इसका मतलब है मीना received 10 notes of rupees 50. तो 500 रुपये ये हो गए. और ये कितने हो गए? 100, 1500. 15 और 500, 2000. Okay. A lending library has a fixed charge. Fixed charge be x. Additional charge कितना है? y. First 3 days के लिए fixed charge है. Remaining days तो you have to pay. Now Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. 7 days. So 7 minus 3 will give you 4. देखो. So the equation is x plus 4y is equal to 27. Second condition में है how many days? 5 days. So 7 minus 5, 2. X plus 2y is equal to 21. Solve the equations. We get x plus 4y is equal to 27. X plus 2y is equal to 21. तो y is equal to 3 और x equal to 15. तो फिक्स चार्ज कितना है? रुपीज़ 50 और एडिशनल चार्ज इज रुपीज़ 3. Okay. We will meet soon again. So without fail, you have to practice the sums again and again. Okay. Thank you.